In this video, we're going to look at how to calculate the area of a trapezoid. The trapezoid is going to have a few different measurements that we need to pick up to calculate the area. So the first set of measurements is the measurements of the two parallel sides running up the top and down the bottom. And we call them A and B. Now the trapezoid is only going to have two sets of sides that are parallel, and they're the ones we want to pick up. The second measurement that we need to pick up is the height. And it's going to be the height of the shape. Remember, the height is not going to be the length of the diagonal sides. We do not need to know these lengths to calculate the area of the trapezoid. So the formula to calculate the area of a trapezoid, so area is equal to half of A plus B times the height. So let's have a look at an example, and we want to calculate the area of the trapezoid provided. So first we need to go through and we need to work out what our measurements are going to be. So we want to look for our A and B measurements, or the length of the two sides that are parallel in the shape. So here, our first side is 8 and our second side is 20. So we want to go through and label them A and B. So in this example, my A is going to be 8 meters and my B is going to be 20 meters. The second piece of information I need to complete the formula is going to be the height. In this example, my height is provided to me within the shape, and it is 10 meters. So my height is 10 meters, my A value is 8, and my B value is 20. So now that I know all the values, I can go ahead and use the formula to calculate the area of the trapezoid. So the first step is to write down the formula. So area is equal to half of A plus B times the height. So the next step is to go through and substitute my A, B and height values into the formula. So area is equal to 1/2 times 8 plus 20 times by 10. So I can either go ahead and calculate that step by step or calculate it all in one go. For this example, I'm going to go through and do it step by step. So the next step is to do my brackets. So 8 plus 20 is equal to 28. So 1/2 times 28 times by 10. The next step, I would do 28 times 10. So 1/2 times 280. And then the final step is 1/2 of 280, which is equal to 140. I need to remember to put in my units of measurement, which is meters square. So the area of the trapezoid is 140 meters squared.